Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Honorable Speaker, I thank the Honorable Joseph Nunn for his question. Fiji's tourism sector continues to experience positive growth, with an increasing number of international visitors choosing Fiji as their destination. According to data from the Bureau of Statistics, tourist arrivals from China comprised 2.8% of total international arrivals in 2023, increasing to 3.1% in 2024. This upward movement reflects a strengthening trajectory in market recovery and signals growing consumer demand from the Chinese outbound tourism segment. The air services agreements between Fiji and the PRC, signed in 1997, lays the regulatory foundation for bilateral air connectivity between the two countries. Under these agreements, designated airlines from both Fiji and China are granted the rights to operate scheduled commercial air services on routes between Nadi and Beijing. While direct air services between these 2 points have not yet commenced, Shanghai has emerged as a preferred point of connection for these services. Mr. Speaker, sir, Shanghai Pudong International Airport serves as a critical transit point for passengers traveling between China and various international destinations. Its extensive network facilitates connections to numerous global locations, making it an advantageous starting point for flights to Fiji. This connectivity is particularly beneficial for travelers from other parts of China who can transit through Shanghai to reach Fiji. Shanghai is the preferred route for a national airline for direct and code-sharing air services. As we work to establish a stronger presence in this competitive and high-value market, it is essential to ensure that our national airline is positioned securely and competitively. At present, discussions with our Chinese counterparts at technical level are progressing positively. In particular, China is considering the addition of Shanghai as a new destination in our ASA. In parallel, we are engaged in continuous discussions at technical level with the Chinese counterpart on additional terms. Once these terms are finalized, we will be able to establish a clear path forward to ensure timely and effective execution. Mr. Speaker, so in the meantime, capacity on our existing Asian routes continue to be adjusted based on demand and market performance. In 2025, Fiji Airways reduced its Hong Kong service to 3 times a week due to low demand in 2024. However, early performance in 2025 has shown improvements, and Fiji Airways is optimistic about either returning to 5 weekly flights or launching a direct service to Shanghai, depending on the outcome of the ASA agreements negotiations. Mr. Speaker, sir, to conclude, currently Fiji Airways is operating 2 weekly flights to Tokyo, Japan. While overall demand has been soft, the Japanese market is showing strong signs of recovery. If this positive momentum continues, Fiji Airways is considering adding a 3rd weekly flight. Fiji Airways also operates 2 weekly services to Singapore, and growth on these routes will depend on the expanded code-share agreements, especially with the Indian carriers, and increasing awareness of Fiji in the region. As air services in our Asian market evolve to market performance and demand, we are committed to strategically assessing and optimizing our existing ASAs with China to maximize economic opportunities. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.